video you will see a dummy conversation between a doctor and a patient. We are sure this will help you in your conversation practice. Please keenly observe how the sentences are framed to convey the idea, how the words are pronounced, and how the sentences are presented. Let's get into it.
Good morning, Mr. Johnson. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, Dr. Smith. I've been feeling a bit under the weather lately.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you describe your symptoms for me?
Sure. I've been experiencing a persistent cough, some shortness of breath, and a bit of chest pain, especially when I take deep breaths. It's been going on for about a week now.
I see. Have you had any fever, chills, or night sweats?
Yes, I've had a mild fever off and on. No chills or night sweats, though.
Any history of allergies or asthma?
No, I don't have any known allergies or asthma.
Are you experiencing any other symptoms, like fatigue or headaches?
I've been feeling more tired than usual, and I've had a few mild headaches.
Have you noticed any changes in your appetite or weight?
Not really. My appetite is about the same, and I haven't noticed any weight loss or gain.
Have you traveled anywhere recently or come into contact with anyone who was sick?
No, I haven't traveled, and as far as I know, I haven't been around anyone who's been sick.
Thank you for providing all this information. I'm going to listen to your lungs now. Please take a deep breath and hold it for a moment. Your lungs sound a bit congested. I'd like to order a chest X-ray to get a better look and some blood tests to rule out any infection. In the meantime, I'll prescribe you something to help with the cough and pain.
Okay, that sounds good. How long will it take to get the results?
The X-ray results should be available within a few hours, and the blood tests will take about a day. I'll follow up with you as soon as I have the results. If your symptoms worsen or you experience any new symptoms, please contact me immediately.
Thank you, Dr. Smith. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, Mr. Johnson. Take care, and we'll be in touch soon.
We hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know your thoughts and feedback in the comments below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, if you haven't done yet.